Imagine waking up in a country where technology is not just a tool, but a part of everyday life. This is Japan, a nation where the future is already happening. Japan may be small in size, but when it comes to technology, it stands among the world's greatest innovators. Let's start with robots. In Japan, robots are everywhere. They work in factories, assist doctors in hospitals, welcome guests in hotels, and even take care of elderly people. Because Japan has an aging population, technology plays a vital role in daily life. AI-powered robots help seniors walk, remind them to take medicine, and provide companionship. In factories, Japan's industrial robots are famous for precision and speed. These machines can build cars, electronics, and complex machinery with near-perfect accuracy. Now, let's talk about transportation. Japan is home to the world-famous Shinkansen bullet train. These trains travel at speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour, yet they are incredibly safe and almost never late. In Japan, even a delay of 1 minute is considered unacceptable. This level of discipline and technology has made Japan's transport system one of the best in the world. Japan is also leading the way in smart cities. Traffic lights adjust automatically based on road conditions. Cameras and sensors reduce accidents. Buildings are designed to save energy and survive earthquakes. Speaking of earthquakes, Japan's technology helps protect lives. Early warning systems can detect tremors and alert people seconds before strong shaking begins. Energy is another area where Japan is pushing innovation. From solar panels and hydrogen fuel to energy-efficient homes, Japan is working toward a cleaner future. Smart homes can control lighting, temperature, and security automatically. Now let's look at artificial intelligence. Japan's AI is used in education, healthcare, banking, and even customer service. Some robots can recognize emotions, respond to human expressions, and learn from experience. Japan is also developing humanoid robots that can walk, talk, and interact like humans. Looking ahead, Japan is experimenting with flying taxis, autonomous vehicles, and advanced space technology. What makes Japan different is not just invention, but perfection. Every product, every system, is designed to be efficient, reliable, and built for the future. Japan doesn't just create technology. Japan creates a lifestyle powered by innovation. And that is why, when the world talks about the future, Japan is always part of the conversation.